Hello, this is a video about using a WordPress plugin called WP Video Lightbox, and it lets you open YouTube videos in a lightbox. It's a fancy effect. So you need to install the plugin, go to wordpress.org, find WP Video Lightbox, install it on your site, and then you want to go just underneath here on the plugin page. It says for video tutorials, screenshots and documentation, go to this page here. So visit that page, and if you scroll down the page, you'll see there's two different places you can get a thing called shorts code. Now you can either, where it says download the usage instructions, you can either download that, which is a printable guide, or further down the page. At the moment, this might not be there when you actually install the plugin, but at the moment there's some code down here, an example short code that shows how to use it. So the one I would recommend is, there's one that says rel equals 0 there, and there's one that says and rel equals false. I would use a piece of code that uses rel equals false. It just seems to work better. So this is what we're after. We're after the short code, and it starts off with Video Lightbox YouTube. So if you copy that short code, we're going to paste that into our web page. Pardon me. Right, so in WordPress, just click in the page. We'll do it in the visual editor. Click in the page and paste your short code. Now it's already got some information inside it, and we want to edit that information, change it to suit us. So first of all, we need to go to YouTube and find the video, watch the video that we want to use. Now, I want to add this video to my website. So I watch the video, and underneath it says share. So I click share, embed, and then I choose how big I want my video to be. Now I want a bigger picture than that. I'm going to have 640 by 480. So choose that. Now, if you see this where it says show suggested videos, I don't want to show suggested videos when the thing is finished, but if I tick that box, it just makes this bit of code a bit easier to deal with. So I've gone share, embed, chosen a video size, click the show suggested videos button, and I'm going to copy the code. Well, I'm going to copy the code. Now I've got to put this into a text editor because there's more code than I need. So the only bit of code I want is where it says source here, src. I just want what's between the double quotes. So the double quote there, and then a finishing double quote here. And I just want a bit here. So if you find source equals http and then youtube.com embed, then a /, and after the /, I'm copying this piece of code up to the end double quote there. So copy that. So I've only copied a little bit of it. This is actually the WordPress ID. It's the ID for the video. But we don't need the whole piece of the code. We just need that little bit, like gobbledygook. Got gobbledygook there. So I copy that and I put that into my code here. So where it says video ID equals, paste in there. We're going from the ID equals and a double quote, we're going from the double quote up to where there's an ampersand, an and sign there. So that's what we're pasting in there. I'm going to paste in our new video ID there. Now the size, what size was I going to use? Let's have a look. The size was 640 480. Now I think, as luck has it, the sample video size is the same size, but if it wasn't, I could just change that where it says 640 and 480 width and height. I could just change that, and it's got code there that says click me. So let's update it and have a look. Right, we'll view the post. Actually, that's that one. We'll update. This is the post. So where it says click me, there's our cat. So if we click the view button, and our video plays. Anyway, now what you can do, if you want to change the text, just edit that text there where it says click me. But what you can also do is add an image, make a thumb, instead of having a text link, you can make a thumbnail there. Now all you need to know is the URL of the thumbnail image that you want to use. So the way I'm going to find that is just to add an image to my page. So just click add media. Now this is the one, this is a screenshot. I took a screenshot of the YouTube video and uploaded it to my media file in WordPress. So that's all that is, that's just a screenshot, and I've cropped it and saved it as an image. So select the image, and if you scroll down where it says attachment display settings, click alignment none and link to none. Now the reason I'm doing that is it just makes a little bit less code for us to deal with when we insert it in the page. I've chosen a medium size image, thumbnail image, so insert into the post. Now if we go to text, we've got visual mode or text mode. We're going to go to text mode, and this is the code I've just inserted. Now what I'm looking for is where it says source here, src, and then there's http, and it's the URL or the path to your image. So I'll copy that. I'll just show you what I mean. Let's have a look. Put that one up. There we go. Put that further down there. So what you've got HTTP. On your website it will say localhost. This is a web server inside my laptop. So but this is the path to your image, and it tells WordPress exactly where to find the image. Now the reason we're doing it this way is because it's got the size there. It tells WordPress how big the image wants to be. So we're going to paste that instead of the click me text. So when it says click me down here, we can get rid of that image now. We don't need it anymore. If you look in your code down here, it says click me, and all we need to do is change that code that says click me for the URL of your image that we're going to use, and then we can click update. Now we'll refresh the page, and there's the cat image. So we click it, and then play the cat picture. There's our video. So I'll just show you once again. This where it says code here, WordPress has inserted that automatically. We don't really need that. WordPress just put it in for us. But that might or might not appear on your when you're doing this. So let's just remind ourselves of what exactly we needed to do. All you need to do, you need to get the embed code from YouTube, you need to get the short code from the plugin site, and we replace this video ID with the ID from your video, your YouTube video. Let's see if we can find that. And that is just this little bit here. It's not the full code, it's just that little bit of gobbledygook code there. It comes after embed, and there's a /, and that's the bit you want. So where did we get to? Let's have a look. Type in the width and height you want to use, and either type text in there where it says YY, type text, or put the URL of the image you want to use. Right, and when you get the image URL, the URL for the thumbnail you're using, you want to go right from HTTP up to either JPEG or GIF or whatever type of image it is that you're using. I think that's all you need to know. Well, I do hope you give it a try. It's not a bad video, it's not a bad plugin. There's a free version and a paid for version, and we're using the free version here. But if you want to open videos, YouTube videos in a Lightbox, it's well worth a try. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.